Meaning of devoice.
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 Devoice. Devoice is a linguistic term that refers to the process of changing a voiced sound into an unvoiced sound. In phonetics, voiced sounds are produced when the vocal cords vibrate, while unvoiced sounds are produced when the vocal cords do not vibrate. Devoicing occurs when a voiced sound, such as B or D, is pronounced as an unvoiced sound, such as P or T. This can happen in certain languages or dialects, and can also occur in speech disorders such as stuttering or apraxia.